Hello, hello, it's the Mobile Home Mama. Welcome to Topeka, Indiana. We're here at Champion Homes. We've got actually a model coming off the line. I'm gonna send to my friend Adam in Missouri. We also do orders for parks, so if you have a park, you need to fill up some spots, I'm the girl for that job. What we have today, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 16 by 66, 1,001 square feet. We call this home the Morgan. I wanted Brittany to get a good panorama view of the outside of the home. If you're looking for a lot of space for a little bit of money, this would be the home for you. We have several that are 1,000 square feet. This one is just one of my favorite floor plans. I love it. When we get inside, you're gonna love it too. All right, coming into the living room, we have a nice wide open area. Don't be deterred by the size of the living room because here we have a separate dining room we're going to see in just a few seconds here. So nice open living room. We've got Casper cashmere in the walls. We saw this last year. Now we do have a new wall that I'm hoping to show you guys very soon called a dogwood harvest. But for now we've got Casper cashmere on the walls. We've got standard white trim up top. Big fan of the windows here. Double paned. They do tilt in for easy cleaning, easy to open. Blinds come with a lot of our models. It's going to depend on the model you choose. What I love and Brittany also loves is this buffet that's included in the home. So you also have a dining area over here. So this is just some extra storage. What were your thoughts, Brittany? You were going to add some things?
I thought it'd be cool to hang a canned food dispenser like above that, but you could also probably, is there an option to add cabinets?
I could add some cabinets up here for you. So I always think of if you're having a little get together or something and you need a place to lay out your food, or even at dinner time with your family, you've got a nice
taco bar.
Yeah, there you go. Taco Tuesday. Taco Thursday. Today's Thursday.
That's right.
All right. So coming into the kitchen area, we do have a galley kitchen, meaning that's up against the wall. Everything you need is right here. Just go right in a row here. Move down the way as you're cooking your food. You're heating up your food. We did a microwave over the range. We also did a dishwasher. Did a little package here. So this park owner is really good to his people. A lot of times in a park you won't see those extra amenities, but Adam takes care of his people over in Missouri. So if you're in the Missouri area, you're watching my video, give him a call. His name is Adam Baker. So Brittany is standing in the dining area, so when she does a little, what's that called, a pirier or?
Sure.
You know,
A ballet move. There it is. Look at that.
This is a nice big dining area. So imagine doing a tall top table here with a few chairs, 2, maybe 4. Or you could do an oval type of table, Brittany, maybe with 6 chairs if
Oh
you
yeah.
wanted
Well, I was
to.
thinking a bench seat back there, and then regular chairs out there.
Yeah, that would be so cute. Maybe even some kind of corner thing going on here.
And you've got that nice brown hardwood that you can match it to for the
Yes, Timberwolf.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, I wanted to point out, this is our new Glacier Quartzite. It's my favorite countertop.
Oh, I love
Look at
it.
this, guys. This is looking like a river rock going down here.
Mm-hmm.
Made out of Formica. That's a material if you're wondering. This home, a lot of people ask me in my YouTube videos to talk about the construction of the home. Let's do that. We got a 2x6 floor joist. In this home, we've got a 2x6 exterior wall with an R19 insulation that's rolled in, and then in the roof, an R28 blown in insulation. You can upgrade the roof insulation if you like, up to an R33. That's your personal preference. So that's the construction of the home. Vinyl siding on the outside, shingled roof up top with an amazing warranty that comes with these homes. Champion Homes builds the best home in the business. I promise you that. Brittany will flip around. We're gonna look at the master bedroom.
We're not going to do the laundry room?
Oh, I forgot.
Look, I know
She
this
keeps me
house
on
has
my
got
toes.
a whole
This is why she's my friend.
ordeal. Like, so we got the dining room here, and then look, you pop around this corner.
Yeah, so you're coming in the back door. You've got your laundry here. Probably not many people are going to use your back door anyways. So,
Well, just you.
yeah,
But, I
just
mean,
you.
know.
Just you personally. I also could do a washer dryer cabinet up here. If you wanted to be crafty and creative, maybe you want to do some antiquing, you could do something that would cover this even if you wanted to. But main water shut off inside, water shut offs throughout. Another great standard feature of this home. 100 amp is the single wides. You can upgrade to a 200 amp if you like, which I would recommend if you're going to do some air conditioning or something like that. I can add the extra conduit drop in. I also recommend doing that. So folks, give me a call. Tell me your situation. I'm going to help you build the perfect home for your situation, your family, your wants, your needs. I can help. Now, Brittany, going into the master bedroom, right? We're right on track here.
That's right.
Nice big size. Hey, we can fit a king bed here. I know it. I absolutely know it.
I have one. I'd get it in here for sure.
A little known fact, well, an unknown fact. I don't even think Brittany knows this, but prior to me doing what I do for a living now, I worked in a mattress factory.
Oh
so
my.
I promise you, like in the factory doing manual labor, and I was much younger then, much more in shape then. Here we are. So
you do all right. Look how big that window is, though. I love how big that is.
46 by 61 here, gridded on the inside. The grids are inside, so you don't have to take a Q-tip and clean all the cracks and crevices. That's what my mother would do. She would be getting all the details. So, coming into the master bath, we kept it simple. Tub shower combination, 60-inch fiberglass one-piece shroud. Of course, a toilet. Vanity with a mirror.
Ooh, I really like it.
Coming into the master bedroom closet, we do have the hot water heater here, but this is big. This could be, you know, the husband's side, and the wife gets the bigger side.
Crazy big.
Depending on how it goes. But yeah. Can light in here also, guys. And look, we got them everywhere. Can light, can light, can light.
And your smoke detectors.
Yes. All right. So we're rocking and rolling in the season. We're here for another one. Thanks everybody for watching.
We want to check out bedrooms? Look, there's more, and there's more.
Yeah.
Who knew? There's a whole other bathroom.
Bedroom 2.
Here's bedroom 2.
By the way, we do not edit these videos. We just fly by the seat of our pants here.
That's right.
We want you guys to see all our flaws.
Decent sized little closet.
Yeah.
And coming down to get the bathroom there, but we'll do this bedroom.
I'm just going to let Brittany finish off the video.
But
I said my goodbyes.
and another
you
nice
guys
little
alone.
closet. And then we will check out the bathroom over here to the left. And I believe these are the standard size toilets, correct? They are not the elongated ones,
That's
but
correct.
you always have that option. I don't believe they're taller, but they do have the bigger bowl. I appreciate a good big bowl for the
They call
bathroom.
it a man's toilet when you get the elongated.
Great.
Okay. So now we'll say goodbye for real this time. Give me a call, 260-383-1009. We offer free overnight stay. Come and take a trip. We've got the largest flea market around here, especially in Indiana. Lots of cool things to do. We're in the heart of Amish country. We'd love for you to give us a chance.